Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a driveway sealing today. It's a referral from a neighbor we just did up the street here. But let me walk you around and show you what we got. It's just a texture paver driveway and walkway. So, very dirty right now. We'll get this all fixed up. We got some weed growth coming in down there. We got the walkway going up to the front. And then we'll, sidewalks are real bad too, so we'll take care of those as well. Get all these black stains off of here. Okay, so that's our project here this morning. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We got everything cleaned. We did our 3-step cleaning process. Yeah, these will dry up overnight. So much better already. And they were dirty. We got all the old sand and the weeds and stuff like that out of there. But we should be good. Okay, well, we'll see you back here in the morning. Hey, good morning everybody. So we're back here at our driveway sealing here this morning. We got an early start, we got everything sanded. Now we're getting ready to mix up some sealer and lay the sealer down. So let me walk around and show you what it looks like right now. Alright, so we got our mixing station together. This is the driveway. Major difference already. Get some color enhancement and some shine on this. It's going to be beautiful. The walkway going up to the front. Got our spray shield. Everything's set. Oh yeah. It's going to make a big difference. Okay, well, let's get busy. Alright, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me walk you around and show you what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. Big difference. We'll let that set up. Customers are absolutely ecstatic with it. You can reach us directly at 813-853-3557 or our website at www.supremetapabay.com. We always give free estimates, free consultations, so reach out. And if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe, and you won't miss any of our future videos from that point.